Hello, Lock Jockey here. I've got a Fontaine 7 slider push or pump lock I'm going to pick for you. This is the bitting there with the tensioner bitting there, the tensioner bit, and then the cuts number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Those cuts there will be pushing in the sliders. I'm gonna try to pick this for you a little close up and see what it looks like with a nice open keyway there. Number 1 is binding pretty good. Set 2 is springy. 3 not ready. A little click on 4. Little click on 5. 6. Set. 7 is binding pretty good. Set there. 1 is good. 2 is good. 3. Set 3 feels good. Click on 4. Click on 5. These sliders do act a little bit tapered, so they do require a couple of different taps. 5, 4, 3, and open. I went a little bit too far there, kind of on purpose, but I'm going to do a nice full 360 pick there. So my hands might be getting in the way there, and I'm going to use this little screwdriver from probably like a glasses repair kit. And just making my rounds through these sliders here. A little bit of a core rotation there. Maybe 1 needs to be set. There we go. This lock is super fun to pick because it is nice and open. Once you understand how to tension the lock, you can visually pick this thing and really understand the different pin states of the different pin states of these sliders here. You can kind of move the tensioner around to if you need to get it out of any of those sliders way or your pick's way. It gives a little bit of a core rotation when there's about 1 slider left to pick when I'm in this mode of having to do a full 360. So let's see which one it is. Maybe it wasn't 1, maybe it was 2 there. Nice little core rotation. Let's see if there's 1 left to set. Yep. This does definitely pick differently in the counterclockwise direction that I have tried. And the backside there, a little bit more core rotation there. There's probably 1 more slider to set. Maybe 2. So that was a full 360 pick there. But That is the Fontaine 7 slider picked. The backside there doesn't really require as many taps as the front. They don't feel as tapered as the other side. Front, back, I'm not exactly sure how to determine what the difference between these two are. But just in a clockwise direction, that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Don't want to go too far, otherwise I have to do full 360 again. But there you go. That is that's the Fontaine 7 slider. Very fun block to learn how to pick. Awesome. Thanks for watching.